When you're looking for a companion tractor for general duties farm work, look no further than the Bobcat Utility Tractor range. Hi, I'm Ian, Senior Product Manager for the Bobcat Tractors of Australia. Let's take a look at the new 6000 platform. The 6000 platform comes with a high output common rail 4-cylinder diesel engine, meaning lower noise, lower fuel consumption. The 24x24 power shuttle transmission means changing from forward to reverse, you will never touch the clutch. The operator station features a deluxe adjustable seat, a tilting steering column, and a wide step-through platform. It's incredibly maneuverable with a 58-degree turning circle and power steering standard. The PTO is engaged by a simple press of the button and features both an automatic or manual selection. It comes standard with a 540 and 540 economy mode, meaning less fuel consumption for tasks like spraying. The 6000 series front end loader is more versatile, coming standard with a large 4-in-1 self-leveling bucket with a hydraulic third function standard. The 360-degree cab offers increased visibility and noise reduction. Comes standard with air conditioning unit with both heating and cooling. Any task on the farm can be done with a large 2.2-ton lift capacity, 2 sets of hydraulic remotes, and a separate hydraulic pump. If you'd like to know more about the Bobcat Utility Tractors 6000 series, head into your local dealer or visit bobcatofaustralia.com.au. I'm Ian for Bobcat of Australia.